How to understand social sharing in Squarespace. So to understand it, you need to focus on using social sharing images for effective link previews. You can also connect social accounts to push your content and add social icons link visitors to your profiles. So first things first, let's head over and then input our default image. You can need to head over to this settings option. Then after that, you can see here your actual website. So for this case, scroll down and here you can see your social sharing. Click on this. After that, you can add in your social logo. So when sharing your pages on social networks, Squarespace will use this image to represent the content right there. Click onto this option right here and you can upload the file or you can also select from library. Let me head over and upload in here a file. Head over and then upload it, and once it's been uploaded, it should be added right there. So head over and click on save option right here. Now on your specific page, you can actually add social image by uploading it. So make sure as well to use the optimal size, which is 1200 times 630 pixel image. After testing an image, use a tool like Facebook Debugger to preview your link as well. Now into this, you can actually optimize your actual image by editing your site and adding social links into your footer. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.